Hey guys, I finally got myself together and I put most of everything together for this engine for my payloader. I had this piece made. I don't know if I have the right flywheel or not, but hopefully it'll work. There's actually a piece inside that I had made to run the pump. I have to cut this off and get the bolt out. Here's a flywheel that I tried, but it was too small. I ended up replacing this guy. I think you can see it where it's just damaged just a little bit, and my line didn't want to start. Got oil in it. Actually, I cranked it over last night. Got oil pressure. Here's the starter. I had to get this piece in order to make the starter and the flywheel work together. Other than that, got to get a cap, points, condensers, wire, spark plug wires, carburetor. Hopefully I can order that in about 2 weeks or so. So we're finally almost together. October 29th will be a year that I have this. So almost a year. And I gotta put a couple bolts underneath yet, but I have to wait till I raise the engine. New alternator. I gotta redo the bracket